Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. As a dog owner, I personally love dog treats that serve more than one purpose. These ones from healthybud are a great example of that because not only are they great as a traditional dog treat, but as well, they contain really great ingredients that help to calm down a stressed or anxious dog. And I think a lot of us have dogs that are a little bit extra stressed or anxious, especially when they're left home alone for long periods of time. So I love giving these dog treats to my dogs because they do contain these ingredients to help to calm them down, such as chamomile extract, ashwagandha. So I really love that feature of these dog treats. As well, I love the size and the texture. So I have a little 10-pound Shih Tzu, and I have a friend has a Bernese Mountain Dog. So two completely different dogs. They love these dog treats and they can easily eat them, no problem. As well, they're super crumbly and soft, which is a really nice feature in a dog treat. Usually protein-based dog treats are a little bit harder, but I love this texture because you can crumble them easily over your dog food as a topper, which is what we sometimes do for our dogs, just to ensure they get a little bit of extra vitamins every day and to make them want to eat their food. And as well, I thought it would be perfect for like a senior dog that perhaps has a hard time chewing a hard kibble. We do use these treats as traditional treats as training aids. We're trying to teach our dogs to obey, to learn new tricks, and these are really great motivation for them, and some days are better than others. But we're just so happy to give our dogs such high quality dog treats. They are obsessed with them. Whenever we bring this package out, they go crazy. As well, they love the other flavors. They have a turkey flavor, a beef flavor. Even our friend's cat loved these treats. So no matter what size or breed of dog you have, I know they're gonna love these dog treats as much as ours do. But that's just my point of view.